My name is Mark Ogden and I'm with SMT. The acronym we're going to explain right now is called CPH, and that stands for components per hour. It's used to measure how quickly a placement machine can populate a circuit board. So if a machine is rated at 50,000 CPH, it means that within 1 hour, it will place 50,000 components on a circuit board and get it out of the production line.
Hi, I'm Keith. I'm a consultant in the X-ray industry, and I'd like to do a few acronyms that we come across in relation to X-ray inspection. The first one is AXI, which quite simply is automated X-ray inspection. This normally refers to an inline machine basically set up in a production line. We then have CT, which is short for computer tomography, also known as 3D X-ray, and this effectively is a 3D reconstruction of a part that you're looking to image, and obviously because it's CT, it allows you to see everything going on inside. It's pretty much the same as you get when you go to a hospital and they do a CT scan there. We then have 2D, which is the very basic straight on, just looks like an image. And then we have between the two something called laminography, which is also 2.5D, and that allows you to be able to look at the different layers within the system, either horizontally or vertically. And they're the key ones that you'll come up with when you're looking at X-ray in our industry.
Keep an eye out for future episodes of SMT terms and definitions, and be sure to visit smta.org's training page for valuable training content on numerous subjects. We'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.